Hello everyone, so today I am going to show you how to make conductive ink. So as you saw, this ink is 100% conductive. So yeah, so what I made this from is finely churned graphite powder and detergent. So it's very easy to make, and you just need to mix these two ingredients together to create a conductive ink. So let's come to the resistance values. So here I am going to draw a straight line, whatever. Now let's see the resistance here. Yeah, almost 87 or around 50 kilo ohms. Yeah, it's very conductive. Thank you.